Hi! In front of me is WIKO View Go, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, find calendar and click on it. Then tap on the month above and select a date by clicking on the chosen one. Now click at the bottom right corner on this plus icon and choose event. Then you can customize it however you want to. You can add a title, set up starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. You can also add people, location, set up notifications, click done, take notes, and some other things. When you're done, click save at the top right corner, and now as you can see, my event was successfully added, but you can always delete it by clicking on it, tapping on the three dots at the top right corner and choosing delete, then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!